Okay, we're back, guys. Sorry about that. The camera froze.
Oh, was that what it was with the wings? Yeah, right.
Wow, these fireworks just getting better and better. Woo! Thanks, Toronto, for joining again. Hey, Liv, how are you? You should be with us, Liv. Happy New Year, love. Whoa, look at this. Next time we see these fireworks, Liv will be in India. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Happy New Year, everybody. Hi from CA again. Hi from Florida. Have a happy New Year to you as well. Happy New Year, play to board. Wow, we've got Israel on as well. Happy New Year, guys. Oh, it's an absolute pleasure sharing this with you. I hope you're getting a good view. Aren't they gorgeous? This is just the best place to be standing. We're so close. Every year when I've gone down to see the fireworks in the harbour, you never get this close. This is just amazing, this uninterrupted view. So lucky, so glad we decided to do this. We had a group of friends come over for dinner and just walked down the street and we're just all here watching this. I've always loved fireworks. I'm still a big kid. Everyone else love fireworks out there as well? Whoa, look at that. No, it's not midnight. It's actually the kids' fireworks. It's the 9 p.m. fireworks here in DY Beach. Oh, yes. Yeah, nice, nice. Keep those hearts coming, guys. We'd love to see that. Yeah, they're really beautiful. And these are all happening over the beach here at DY. Oh, that was a good one.
Beautiful, look at that.
Oh wow, look at that one. That's amazing. Oh my God. Crowd's going wild here, that one. How cool is that? stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Yeah! Woo! Happy 2016, almost. That's pretty cool. Bye guys. Bye. Well, that was definitely worth coming down for. Lights are back on.